Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. You have administrator rights, the wireless switch is on, and the adapter is plugged in. Once done, open Control Panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, and click Troubleshoot Problems. This runs Windows diagnostics and often fixes common configuration issues automatically. If the troubleshooter suggests restarting the WLAN Auto Config service, do that immediately. It reinitializes drivers and saved profiles. Make sure to note any error codes the tool shows before moving to manual fixes. Now you handle the deeper fixes. Open Device Manager and update the wireless adapter driver. If the problem started after an update, roll back instead. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset, netch int IP reset, then ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew. This clears corrupt sockets and resets TCP/IP stacks. Also check services MSC to ensure WLAN auto config and its dependencies are set to automatic and are running, because those services manage wireless profiles and authentication. To finish, reconnect to your SSID and re-enter the password so Windows creates a fresh profile, then test browsing to confirm connectivity. Make sure adapter power management is disabled in Device Manager so Windows doesn't power it down. Rescan networks and reconnect. If you still see problems, boot into safe mode with networking to isolate software conflicts or perform a system restore to a point when networking worked. One key troubleshooting tip. Try a known good USB Wi-Fi adapter to determine if the internal card is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.